Seniors, listen closely because this might be one of the most important things you will ever hear about your health. Every single night while you sleep, something is happening inside your body that could either protect your muscles or slowly steal them away. Yes, you heard that right. Your muscles may be disappearing faster than you realize, and the secret to stopping it could be as simple as eating one thing before bed. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because I am going to reveal exactly what happens during the night, the foods that either protect or destroy your strength, and how you can take back control of your health starting tonight. And please, I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments if you have noticed your muscles getting weaker, if you have struggled with balance, or if you feel more tired in the morning than you used to. Your stories help others who are going through the same battles, so do not be shy. Now let me ask you this. Have you ever woken up in the morning and felt like your legs were heavy, your arms had no power, or even walking to the kitchen seemed harder than the day before? Many seniors think this is just normal aging. But here is the truth. Your body is losing muscle every single night if it does not have the right fuel to repair and rebuild while you sleep. Scientists call this process muscle wasting or sarcopenia, and it accelerates after the age of 60. The scary part is that it does not just make you weaker. It increases your risk of falls, slows down your recovery from sickness, and can even shorten your lifespan. But here is the good news. There is a natural way to fight back. When you go to bed hungry, or when you skip the right nutrients before sleep, your body has no choice but to break down muscle tissue for energy. Imagine that. The muscles you spent years building from walking, working, lifting, or even just carrying groceries are being eaten away slowly because your body needs fuel. But here is the powerful secret. If you give your body the right food before bed, instead of destroying your muscles, it will use those nutrients to repair, rebuild, and strengthen your body. And this does not require fancy supplements or expensive powders. It can be done with simple foods you may already have in your kitchen. I know some of you may be thinking, Mark, I do not like to eat late at night because I heard it is bad for digestion or it causes weight gain, and I understand that fear. But listen closely. The key is not eating a large, heavy meal. The key is choosing a small, targeted bedtime snack that fuels your muscles, while letting your body rest peacefully. In fact, when chosen correctly, this simple habit can actually help your metabolism, keep your blood sugar steady, and even improve your sleep quality. Now tell me in the comments, are you someone who eats before bed, or do you usually go to sleep on an empty stomach? I want to know your habits because your answer could inspire someone else. Let me share a story with you. There was a man named George, 72 years old, who had always been active in his younger days. But after retirement, he noticed his legs were getting weaker. Climbing stairs felt like a mountain, and his once strong arms now struggled to lift even light weights. His doctor told him it was just aging, but deep inside George knew something was wrong. Then one night, after watching a health program, much like this one, he decided to change one small thing. Instead of going to bed after his evening tea, he started eating a small bowl of Greek yogurt with berries. Within weeks, he noticed something different. He woke up feeling more refreshed. His energy during the day improved. Most importantly, when he went for his checkup, his muscle mass had stopped declining. All because he was fueling his body before bed. Now, let us dive deeper into why this works. Your muscles are made mostly of protein, and while you sleep, your body enters a repair mode. This is when damaged muscle fibers get rebuilt and new ones are formed. But here is the problem. If your body does not have protein available at that time, it starts breaking down muscle tissue to find what it needs. Think of it like trying to repair a house with no bricks. You cannot build without the right materials. But when you eat a small protein-rich snack before bed, you are giving your body the bricks it needs to build stronger muscles. And it is not just protein. Certain vitamins and minerals are crucial for muscle health. Magnesium, calcium, and vitamin D play a massive role in keeping your muscles strong and preventing cramps. Many seniors are deficient in these nutrients without even knowing it. That is why foods like almonds, cottage cheese, pumpkin seeds, or even a warm glass of milk before bed can make a dramatic difference. Let me pause and ask you again to comment. What is your favorite nighttime snack? Do you eat fruit, nuts, or maybe nothing at all? Share it below, because sometimes your simple idea can help thousands of other seniors watching this right now. Now, let us talk about the foods that you should avoid at night. If you go to bed after eating sugary snacks, processed chips, or heavy fried foods, your body ends up focusing on digesting instead of repairing. This not only damages your sleep, but also contributes to muscle breakdown. The goal is to choose clean, nutrient-rich foods that are easy to digest and that give your muscles what they need most. I remember speaking with a woman named Linda, 68 years old, who always felt her legs shaking whenever she stood for long periods. She thought it was just nerves or aging. But after looking at her diet, we realized she was not getting enough magnesium. She started eating a banana with a handful of walnuts before bed, and within a month, her night cramps reduced, her balance improved, and she felt stronger when she got out of bed. It was such a simple change, yet it gave her back confidence in her daily life. And here is another tip most seniors do not know. Slow digesting proteins, like the kind found in cottage cheese, are especially powerful before bed. Why? Because they release amino acids slowly throughout the night, keeping your muscles nourished hour after hour. Think of it like setting up a steady drip of repair materials instead of dumping everything at once. This steady stream of nutrition means your body can keep repairing muscles until you wake up in the morning. Let us be honest. Losing muscle does not just make you weak. It steals your independence. It makes walking across the room risky. It makes lifting groceries painful. It makes you rely on others more than you want to. But the beautiful part is that you can fight back with knowledge, with choices, and with habits as simple as eating the right food before you close your eyes each night. Imagine this. You finish your day, you brush your teeth, you sit on your bed, and instead of lying down hungry, you enjoy a small bowl of cottage cheese with a sprinkle of chia seeds, or maybe a handful of almonds with a slice of apple. Then you fall asleep peacefully, knowing your body is repairing itself, not breaking down. You wake up the next morning with more energy, less stiffness, and more strength in your steps. That is the power of this habit. Please tell me in the comments, will you try this tonight? Will you add a bedtime snack to protect your muscles? I want to know your decision, because this community is built on supporting each other. As we continue, let us cover some of the best bedtime foods for seniors. Number 1. Greek yogurt. It is high in protein, rich in calcium, and very easy to digest. Number 2. Cottage cheese, a slow-digesting protein powerhouse. Number 3. Almonds or walnuts. These not only provide protein, but also magnesium to prevent cramps. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. Full of zinc and healthy fats. Number 5. Bananas. A great source of potassium and magnesium. Number 6. Warm milk. It contains tryptophan that helps with sleep and proteins that help with muscle repair. These 6 foods can be rotated to keep your nighttime routine enjoyable and effective. Now, I know some of you may worry about waking up at night to use the bathroom. Here is a tip. Keep your snack small and balanced. A few spoonfuls of yogurt or a small handful of nuts is enough. You do not need a full plate of food. Quality is more important than quantity. Think about your future self. Imagine being able to walk with confidence at 80, lift your grandchildren without fear, and live independently without worrying about losing your strength. That future starts with the decisions you make tonight. I also want to mention the importance of water. Many seniors go to bed dehydrated, which makes muscle cramps worse. A small glass of water with your bedtime snack can help your body absorb nutrients better and keep muscles hydrated. Let us not forget one more critical point. Muscles do not just give you strength. They protect your bones, improve your balance, and even support your heart health. Losing muscle is not just about weakness, it is about overall survival. So please do not ignore this. And now I ask you one last time. Share in the comments. Will you try this? What snack will you choose tonight? Will it be yogurt, nuts, or maybe warm milk? Let us build a circle of seniors who refuse to let aging steal their strength.